Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and happy Eid to all of you. So for today's look we're going in with a little smoky eye on the outer corner of the eye with a gold effect just to complement the dress that I'm wearing today. So I'm taking the Huda Beauty palette and throughout the whole video I'm gonna use only this palette and I'm gonna list all of the details below so you guys can actually follow them if you want to have this makeup look. Now that we have completed the whole eye look, we are moving on to the face and I'm just using this ginseng water ice from the Body Shop just to keep the skin very dry before I apply the foundation so it doesn't have an oily feeling when I'm applying my foundation. As you can see here, I'm just using a little bit on my under eye. So this is the end result of the makeup look that we've created today. I hope you guys liked it and happy Eid once again. If you do like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye guys.